Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy topic: how to use PayPal credit on Amazon in 2025. If you're looking to make your online shopping smoother or manage your payments more flexibly, this guide is perfect for you. PayPal credit is like a revolving line of credit that lets you buy now and pay later, and integrating it with Amazon can make your purchases even easier. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a PayPal account set up with credit enabled. If you don't, head over to the PayPal website, sign in, and apply for PayPal credit. It's quick and often gives you instant approval. Once that's done, the next step is linking your PayPal account to Amazon. Log into your Amazon account, go to Account and Lists, and find the Payment Options section. There, you can add PayPal as a payment method. It's straightforward. Just enter your PayPal email and authorize the connection. Now, for the fun part: shopping. Browse Amazon as you normally would, add items to your cart, and proceed to checkout. When you get to the payment page, look for the PayPal option. Select it, and you'll be redirected to your PayPal account. Here, choose PayPal Credit as your funding source. Double-check your order details, confirm the purchase, and voila, you're done. You'll get a confirmation from both Amazon and PayPal. A few pro tips to keep in mind: always monitor your PayPal credit balance to avoid overspending, and pay off your balance on time to steer clear of interest charges. Also, if you run into any issues, like payment not going through, check that your PayPal account is verified and up to date. In 2025, Amazon might have some new integrations, so keep an eye on updates from both platforms. There you have it. Using PayPal credit on Amazon is that simple. It can help you stretch your budget while enjoying all the perks of shopping on the world's biggest online store. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.